Hello Yatri, so welcome back to Yatri Cloud, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the process which you can follow to get Microsoft Azure voucher. But before going forward, I'm going to be just clarify one point on my last video which is on the cloud certification. So when I did first time, at that time personal Gmail works, and also after uploading the video in few hours you are going to try it with a personal Gmail account. They are certified. You can see in the comment also, but after some time it's going to strictly on the work email address. I know this is only for the partner email address, right? But at that time it works. That's why I said you can try it with the personal Gmail. If not, you can go with the partner email if you have, else you can just try it out, right? So this is only point which I can feel, right? You can make a correction. I also put it down the note in the description and the comment box. You can check it out. Okay. And also in the last couple of videos, if you can follow on the spot whatever I did now, you will be getting a voucher, definitely 100% sure. But after some time, maybe you are going to take a delay. So sometimes you are not going to getting the voucher due to place of time, right? Time is already gone. So yeah, subscribe to the Yatri Cloud to get a latest update and latest notification to start your certification journey with me in 100% free and most affordable price whenever you will be getting the offer. So as you can see right now, let's go with the Microsoft Azure certification. So yeah, here as you can see the Microsoft Migrate and Modernize Summit Challenge sweeps tags. So yes, now this is a chance to get a Microsoft certified now. So here you can see the steps. So let me go into the challenge first. What you have to do, you have to just join the challenge. You have to just create a one account on Microsoft Learn. But you are pretty much aware about, you are following with me from the last couple of years. You know how to create. So just click on the join the challenge here. Now you can see it's loading and you can just go to the start learning. That's it. So yeah, now after that all you are able to see the challenge here. So here is the 4% completed which I did, but right now you can see the other modules also are there. So just complete one by one everything, correct? So after completing the 100%, what you have to do next, right? So after completing, you are able to receive the 50% off discount. How? So let's going one step ahead, only one step remaining which you have to do. So to getting the 50% off discount, what you have to do, we have to just go to this page. I'm gonna be give the link in the description. You can just check it out. So this is the steps. You are registered the Microsoft challenge which we did, and you can see the 15th May 2026 is the last date to apply and complete the challenge. Now next, as you can see, this is a 3 certification you can do it. AZ-900 which is the most demanded, AZ-800 and AZ-1 which is on the server side, especially on Windows. And this is for the 204 which is a developer associate. All right. Now here you can see when you're going to scroll down, you are able to see the one link. You have to just open this one and you have to just submit the form, right? Nothing else. Now, as you can see, the certification which is already which is eligible for the 50% off, and this is for the 15th May 2026, which you have to complete all the challenges and submit the form. And this is the date which will be receive your voucher. So 28th April and the 18th May, right? Then scroll down, as you can see the form details which you have to submit. So make sure you are going to submit as soon as possible after completing all the modules, and the first 2000 people only getting the voucher. So try to do it as soon as possible. So now here you have to just enter your username. So how you are going to find out? Just click on the link and you are able to see the page. You have to just copy this and paste it into your answer. Then you have to just enter the email address which is your Microsoft Learn account, right? So you can just go to your Microsoft Learn account. You can just simply close it, and you can again go to search Microsoft Learn and you can simply find out your email address which you signed in. Next, you can see the options. So yeah, if you want to give the any options, you can select, as you can just ignore it. It's not mandatory. So now let's say go into the next, and this is the okay. Let me go enter my email address. Let's say I have to copy this and paste it here. All right. Let me explain you everything so it will be better for you to what you have to do. So we have to just select yes, and submit. Okay, I'm not going to submit right now because my modules are still pending. So you can just submit the form and waiting for your log. If you got the voucher, let me know in the comment box. And so yeah, you will be getting a 50% off if you want to just try it out. diamonds, right? So yeah, that's it pretty much about today's video on Microsoft Azure. So yeah, see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.